What's up YouTube? It's Austin, back for another one. I'm about to blow your mind. Here it is, kablam, the OnePlus 6T. It's what you've been waiting for, it's what I've been waiting for. It's what we've all been waiting for. What do you think about that, Mac? All right, let's get right into it and open this guy up. Here it is, the OnePlus 6T. How's it look? Looking good, Mac? Yeah? I'm gonna put this down just for a second. Just for a second, we're not going anywhere. We're gonna check out what's over here in the box. Protective case, SIM card ejector, your safety manual, nice poster. Put on your bedroom wall, sticker pack, word from Pete, OnePlus CEO. Got the big guns out, so let's open this guy up. Matt, can this be handwritten? What do we think? Handwritten? We've got the OnePlus fast charging cable and the OnePlus power adapter. We got something new though, down on the bottom. We've got a little dongle. You guys, you know, for a dongle, it's a pretty good looking dongle. I'd say, dare to say, this might be the best looking dongle I've seen so far. Bam, we're started up. Let's start this beast right up. Now this is where things get interesting. Look at that tiny notch. Look at that. That thing, it's crazy. Down below, things are a little different. We've got your USB Type-C, just one hole this time. This does have OnePlus fast charging, so if you've got, limited time, super fast, super quick. Now since this is a OnePlus device, you know there's gonna be a ton of RAM. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. This thing's maxed out, this thing's a beast. OnePlus gets it. They get you, they get me. They even get Mac. For battery, we've got a 3700 milliamp battery. It's freaking huge. That's freaking huge. Holy cow. Massive. You might be thinking, Austin, what? Where's the fingerprint sensor? It's not on the back. It's not on the bottom. Where'd it go? Where's the fingerprint sensor? Where is this fingerprint sensor? It's in the screen. It's in the screen. Holy smokes. 2018 people, crazy. So OnePlus is calling this new stuff screen unlock. Let's try it out. I just unlocked it. I didn't even touch the back. That's freaking crazy. Yeah, you wanna see it? Holy smokes. Now that I'm into the phone, I'm kicking around, I'm bumping around this thing. It's Oxygen OS, super snappy, super fast, smooth, just bam, bam, bam. Android Pie out of the box, which is a big deal for all of you Android fans out there. I think it's a pretty cool thing, but I want to hear from you guys. OnePlus 6T, could this be the one? Is this your next phone? Let me know in the comments below.